Whew. Car alarm, man.
Don't you have to turn the car on?
Yeah. If I bring my... Oh, shit. Oh, that'll get everybody's attention. Fuck. Alright. Fuck. Aw, what did you do, babe? What? And there you go! Ah! Did somebody forget? Dude, that's thinking ahead. That's breakfast tomorrow morning. Yo, take both. Are you kidding me? Poor neighbors right now. I mean, they already think we're fucking crazy. Now we're stealing our own cars. Ow. Dude, you've been with me for almost 2 years now. Shit! There's no fucking sound system! You just painted a pig! God! Fucking shut the fuck up! Stop following me! No!
Alright.
It looks like shit!
Drives it.
What do you mean he drives it? You do it all the time! All the time! That's all you do is destroy stuff!
Oh, I do?
What the fuck did you do?
He hates it. He lies to everybody.
That was the fault!
He doesn't lie to anybody!
Yes, he does.
You destroy this stuff, I don't know why
He
you
tracks
do
the brother bottle over his brother's head.
No, you
He
haven't.
locks him in the dog pen.
You sound all self-sufficient!
How come I didn't know about it?
You hurt him every single time!
He didn't get hurt about
He's
nothing.
our son! You always hurt him!
He deserves what he gets.
Because you don't approve of what he does?
It has nothing to do with it. He put a bottle over his brother's head. And you can
Whatever, it has
ignore
nothing
it.
to do with it. You've been doing